welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ChelsieJayy, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my everyday makeup routine, or my everyday makeup glam. We're just going to go ahead and get started. I've already done my brows off camera because I have a dedicated brow tutorial, but the product I use today on my brows is the Anastasiabeverlyhills Dip Brow. I did use the shade Ebony. This is the shade that I use for my brows. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So because this is an everyday makeup tutorial, I'm not doing like a cut crease or anything like that. So whenever I'm not doing a super serious eyeshadow look, I like to go ahead and just do my face first because it just saves me time. So I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. poreless putty primer. Y'all know I have been talking about this for a very long time because it is really bomb. Like, I love this product. So I'm just gonna apply this with my finger and blend everything out. So for foundation, I'm going to take my Anastasiabeverlyhills Luminous Foundation. I am an oily girl, but sometimes I do use foundations that are not dedicated to like matte skin, because sometimes that can make you feel like you're just too dry. I don't really like that feeling, so sometimes I do like this, but this is a very good foundation if you haven't tried it. I know some people, it doesn't work for everyone, so it's just kind of like trial and error. You have to find something that really works for you. I'm just going to take this and apply it with my finger first and then blend everything in. So to blend my foundation out, I'm going to take my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush. This is one of my favorite brushes for foundation because it just makes your foundation super seamless. You don't want to go up and down like swiping motions. You want to pat the foundation into your skin. That's going to make your foundation just a lot more seamless if you do that. So you want to make sure that you just pat your foundation in versus like, you know, dragging it around, because if you do have hair on your face, it's going to, which we all got a little hair, girl. It's just going to make your foundation look a lot less even, but I'm just going to take that and blend that into the skin, and I am building it up to full coverage. For concealer, I'm going to take the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer by Colourpop. This concealer is really, really good, and I think it's slept on by a lot of people. A lot of people don't know how good this concealer is. So if you have not tried it, definitely give it a try because it is so bomb, and I'm sure you would love it. So the shade I'm going to go in first is with 120W, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. So onto the rest of the face, I'm just gonna let this concealer sit. I know it looks like a lot, like, girl, did you really need that much? Yes, I did. I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. I'm gonna contour using my Anastasiabeverlyhills Walnut Concealer. Well, it's a foundation stick, but it's like so bomb. It gives me just the perfect undertones that I'm looking for, which I really do enjoy. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and yeah, I'll be right back. The next thing I'm going to do is blend out that contour portion. I'm going to take my Anastasia 830 brush to blend that out. Now I'm going to take my Sonia Kashuk sponge. This is one of my favorite sponges for blending out like your concealers and stuff like that. It's like $5 from Target, and you definitely should pick this up. I know Brianna uses this. I know Brianna uses this on her tutorials, and it always makes her makeup look so flawless. So that's what I'm using today. I'm just going to take that and blend out that concealer. So to set my face, I'm going to go in with 2 different powders. I'm going to do the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, which you guys know is my favorite. This is in the shade medium tan, no, matte tan, I'm sorry. And I'm just going to go around the under eye and set around my under eye. So under that, I'm going to take my little powder puff and I'm going to go into the Anastasia Deep Peach Setting Powder, and I'm just going to lightly set my face using this powder. So next I'm going in with the Huda Beauty powder. This is banana bread. Y'all know this is like an all-time favorite. Everybody loves it. I'm going to take that powder puff that I had before and I'm just going to set the rest of my face. And this is where I'm actually going to bake and let that powder just sit and just soak up all of those extra oils. So I know my face is looking a little bit powdery, but the base is nice. Like, the base is really nice. I'm gonna go back in and contour my nose. That's just gonna make everything more snatched and more, you know, more flawless for your everyday makeup routine. So another favorite of mine is the Black Radiance contour palette. I love this palette, Black Radiance. If you are looking to sponsor your girl or just add me into some campaigns, honey, I love this powder. If you have not tried it, go ahead and try it. It's $6. You can't beat it. So I'm going to use that to contour my nose, and then also just a little bit for my eyeshadow look as well. Okay, so that is the eyes. I did do something different, y'all. I went in with my Black Radiance medium to dark contour pick kit, but this is the cream contour kit. So what I did is just applied that sculpt on top, just right here, and I like the way it looks. I was like, the other eyeshadow that I was using, it wasn't giving me the payoff that I wanted, so I was like, okay, I'm looking for this soft but yet sexy, but yet I'm not trying to do too much type eyeshadow look, and this is what I came up with. So hopefully you enjoy it. Next, I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera today because I am gonna have a dedicated eyeliner tutorial for you guys, so just keep on the lookout for that. Make sure that you set your notifications so that you won't miss that video. And if you're already enjoying this video, go ahead and do me a favor and just subscribe and show you girls some love in the comment section if you are enjoying this everyday makeup look. Yes, this is a lot of steps, but you still want your face to be flawless, girl, regardless of what you're doing. You want your face to be right. So take your time. If it takes you 45 minutes, if it takes you an hour, it's okay. You know, it's okay. We got time. The eyeliner that I'm going to use is the Anastasiabeverlyhills liquid eyeliner. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. Between this one and the NYX eyeliner, these two are bomb. So if you have not tried it, if you want something on the more affordable end, you would need to use the NYX one. They have like, it's not a felt tip liner, which I love. I hate a felt tip liner. It's like a brush type liner instead of a felt tip, which I really do enjoy. So I'm just gonna do this and then I'll be right back. So now I've done my inner corner flicks, I did my liner, and now it's time to contour the rest of my face. I'm gonna go back in with that Ruby Kisses. I'm gonna go in with the Ruby Kisses brush. Y'all know I talk about this brush a lot too because it's affordable and it really does well on the contour. So I'm just gonna use the Sculpt shade to contour the rest of my face. Go ahead and line my eyes. At the bottom, I'm gonna do my waterline and then pop on my lashes, and then we'll be right back to finish up the rest of the look. But this is a really cute, simple, easy, everyday makeup look. If you're not into eyeshadow, this look is perfect for you because, my girl, like, you don't have to do too much to be cute, okay? So I'm gonna put on my lashes and I'll be right back to finish up the look. So I did apply my lashes. The lashes that I used were the champagne pink Vluxe lashes. I got these from the hair store. Yeah, so those are the lashes that I have on. I'm going to apply my lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner, y'all. If y'all have not got onto it yet, go ahead and purchase it. It's $6 from Colourpop. This is their BFF3 lip liner, one of my favorite lip liners. It reminds you of the Cork lip liner. So if you want to dupe for Cork, and the consistency of it is really, really smooth, so you don't have to worry about it applying like really harshly. So yeah, I'm sure you will really enjoy this one. So I'm gonna apply my lip liner, then I'll be right back to finish up the lips. So for lip gloss, this is another one of my favorites. This is the Anastasia Pastel Pink Lip Gloss. This is so bomb, so perfect. And I'm gonna also mix it with the Anastasia Undressed Lip Gloss, and these two together are gonna be so beautiful. So on top, I went with Ronce Cosmetics. They sent me this on Instagram. I will try to remember to tag them, but their name is, the name of this is Gold Digger. And I just like to apply it on my Cupid's bow. You see how my Cupid's bow is like a little bit of a golden undertone, which works really pretty. It looks really pretty to me, in my opinion. So I just like to use that whenever I do my lips, because it just enunciates. It just makes my lips look a lot more fuller, which I like that look. So yeah. That is pretty much the finished look, you guys. I'm going to set my face with my setting spray, and then we can close out the look. Okay guys, so that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It was super easy, that anybody can do this look, so hopefully you did enjoy it. If you have not already, girl, go ahead and subscribe, because listen, I'm putting out the looks, okay? So I'm putting out the looks. I want to make sure that you catch every single one of them. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and just let me know what you want to see in my next video. I have a few videos planned for the week, so just get ready for that. I think that's it, you guys. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.